Welcome to RoboBrief, your daily download on the world of robotics. Today we've got robotaxis behaving badly, a $750 million bet on driverless rides, and a robot lawn army hitting a major milestone. Let's get into it. First up, Waymo just hit the brakes. The driverless leader suspended its robotaxi service across Atlanta and 4 Texas cities, Austin, Dallas, Houston, and San Antonio, after its cars kept trying to drive straight into flooded roads. This follows a recall of nearly 3,800 vehicles tied to software that could keep rolling into water it couldn't safely cross. Waymo says it paused out of an abundance of caution, but admits it doesn't have a final fix yet. A rare and very public stumble for the company that usually sets the pace. But while one robotaxi player slips, another is scaling up fast. May Mobility just signed a framework deal worth up to $750 million with ECARX, the auto tech firm backed by Geely's Shufu. ECARX will build thousands of purpose-built robotaxis, packing custom level 4 computers and a full sensor suite, lidar, radar, and cameras. The vehicles are being manufactured outside China to meet US rules, and the two are targeting a 50% cut in autonomous vehicle costs by 2028. The robotaxi race is far from over, and finally, robots are taking over the yard. Segway's Navimow brand just produced its 1 millionth robotic lawnmower and opened a new production line in Malaysia to keep up with demand. Its flagship X4 series is wire-free and all-terrain, climbing slopes up to 40 degrees and using AI vision fence to dodge over 200 obstacles, right down to a wandering dog. Autonomous mowing has officially gone mainstream. That's your brief. If you love this stuff, hit subscribe and check out robobrief.tech for more. I'll see you tomorrow.